In this video, I will show you how to create a new folder on a laptop. So in this quick and easy tutorial, I will show you how to create a new folder on your Windows laptop so you can easily organize your files, documents, photos, and other important content. If this video helps you out today, don't forget to leave a like, comment below, and subscribe for more Windows tutorials and easy tech guides. Now to get started with this, as you can see, I'm currently here on my desktop, so you can create a new folder on your desktop or wherever you need to on your laptop. The process is the same. What I'm going to do in this example is just create a new folder on my desktop. So what you want to do is actually right click onto a blank space. Once you've done that, you're going to see this menu come up, and from here, if you hover over the new option, you're going to see in the sub menu the option to create a new folder. Give that a click, that's going to create your folder, and what you can do is name this to whatever you want. So I'm going to call this one test, and as you can see, the folder has now been created. So what you can do is double click to open the folder, and you can drag and drop any sort of files or anything you want in that particular folder. So that's how to create a new folder on your laptop. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Windows tutorials and easy tech guides. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.